Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We hope you are all doing well. May Allah bless you with happiness, good health, and success. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn Sindhi Hurmuch Hand Embroidery in a simple and easy way. If you are a beginner and want to learn this beautiful traditional embroidery, then this video is perfect for you. Sindhi Hurmuch Hand Embroidery is one of the most beautiful traditional embroidery techniques of Sindh. It is known for its neat stitching, colorful threadwork, and elegant handcrafted patterns. With a little practice and patience, anyone can learn this beautiful art. Before we begin, let's look at the materials we need. You will need embroidery fabric, an embroidery hoop, colorful embroidery threads, an embroidery needle, scissors, a fabric marker or chalk, and your favorite Hurmuch design pattern. First, place your fabric tightly inside the embroidery hoop so it stays firm while stitching. A tight fabric helps you create clean and even stitches. Next, draw or trace your Hurmuch design onto the fabric using a washable fabric marker or tailor's chalk. Keep the design simple if you are practicing for the first time. Now thread your needle with your chosen embroidery thread and tie a small knot at the end. Start stitching slowly by following the lines of the pattern. Try to keep every stitch the same size for a neat and professional finish. As you continue, take your time and don't rush. Beautiful hand embroidery is created with patience and careful attention to detail. If you make a mistake, gently remove the stitch and continue.